Alright, so we're back at the Tanger Outlets where I got busted last year. So we're gonna film these units again. This one's nice and quiet. It's a York. And if anybody catches us, I will film for you guys and see what's up. See if we're getting caught or anything. I'm not going to get the data on too many of them because last year it was like a 9-minute video and that was pretty boring for you guys. But here you got a piece of junk Goodman and an ICP. Heat pump. This one's been running. I can feel the heat. This one's quiet. Nice and quiet, actually. Here's an old train. I never got this one running. This one's exciting. That's a pretty neat unit. XB 1000. And we're gonna go somewhere here. These are quiet for Goodman. Damn. I just asked the guy for permission and he said he doesn't care. So if I get caught, we have some backup. Well, I didn't film it, but here's an old York. That one's loud. Oh, and this one's on a low ambient kit. Look, see guys, this thing's on a low ambient kit. As a Copeland reciprocating compressor. (2009). Maybe you have a Lennox here. That one's probably has a problem. Here's a train that just shut off. I got this one starting up last time, and then I never got this unit running. It's a nice unit here. Seashore. So yeah, this is the one I got firing up last time, and this one just shut off. Whoa, that one's frozen right there, guys. That one's frozen. That's pretty cool. Huh. Weird. Must be low on Freon or something. Nice York. Wow, these are pretty big systems. Whoa. That one just fired up. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with... Guys, that's spinning really, really slowly. What the hell? That is so weird. Huh. Interesting. York. No, I can feel the heat coming out of this one. This one's been running. Wow. I'm not too interested in those Yorks. That model. Oh, that's a trip hazard. And my mom's trying to call. Jeez, I'm trying to film air conditioners. Like, what the hell? 2013. And then, my dad's being a slow person. 2011. Is I almost slipped and busted my head on this unit because this was condensating a lot. And there's a whole runoff right here. Um, I wonder if that was a capacitor box right there. York. Nice unit. And you see, sometimes they label them for the stores. Sunglass Hut. Like I said, this is for all the outlets. Nice quiet train. And I think that's it, so I'm gonna go. Forgot to say over and out. Over and out.